one claim type. So in the next task 12.2, we will update our employee group for the claim setting. So first, still under Tools General Maintenance, we go to Employee Group. If you still remember, in the previous chapter, we already modified our employee group and we already created one new group by the name of Managerial. And both of these employee group, we have done edit for the leave setting. So it's time for us to edit for the claim setting. First, you have to click on the edit button and we start with Managerial group first. Under this manager group, you will see for the leave setting, we already done set for the leave. So for the claim setting, you can set at the bottom. So as you can see here, it's still empty, so you click on add new. For the claim type here, we have to set one by one. Means we allowed under our manager group to claim all this. So we start with F&L, food and lodging. The yearly limit, there's no limit. Monthly limit, there's no monthly limit. Per visit limit, there's no per visit limit. If let's say you want to see in full, you can click this button to expand. As you can see, there's a three line here. This button is for you to minimize and expand the column. Now, per visit limit, there's no per visit limit and there's no brought forward amount. Means for the manager group, whatever food and lodging that they can claim, they just submit their claim. So this one but we still need to add this one as a new. If you don't add the food and lodging as one of your claim, you are unable to allow employee group of managerial to claim for food and lodging, even though there's no limitation. Okay, so once we have done, you just click on save. Now we add the detail for the second one. The second one will be medical. Now for the medical, we have a limitation. For yearly limit of manager group, we limit of 2,000 ringgit. Monthly limit, we allow to use all 2,000 ringgit. But for per visit limit is 200 only. So let's say per visit limit, they need to visit every day and want to fully utilize the 2,000 ringgit, so they have to visit for 10 times for the MC. So this one, per visit limit is 200 and yearly limit is 2,000. So this amount might be different with the normal or standard group. For the manager group is 2,000. For normal group, later we will see. So once you're done, do we have any brought forward amount? No, it's a 0. So once you're done, you click on save. Now add the next one. The next one will be parking. For parking also, there's no yearly limit, monthly limit, per visit limit and brought forward amount. So save. The next one should be toll. And also the same, there's no limitation. Save. And the last one will be mileage. So once you click on mileage, you just straightforward click on save because there's no limitation on amount. So we have do the setting for managerial group off for the claim setting. So once we have done to set for the claim setting on the manager group, you just click on save. Employee group manager updated successfully. Click on continue. Now it's time for us to update for our standard group. So you click on the edit button. And also the same for the leave setting, we already done set in the previous chapter. So you drag down and under the claim setting we add detail. Also similar like what we did in manager group just now, we have to set one by one. And we assume we allow the standard group of employee to claim for food and lodging, but there's no limitation. So you click on save, add detail. The second one will be medical. And for medical, the yearly limit is 1,200. Monthly limit also 1,200. Means the employee group under standard can claim all of the limit allowed, but per visit limit only allow of 100 ringgit. So there's no brought forward amount, and then you click on save. The next one we want to add is for parking, and for parking there's no limitation. Save. Next one will be toll. Toll also there's no limitation. Save. And the last one will be mileage. also the same, save. So once we have done set for the claim setting, we just click on save. So employee group for standard also have updated successfully. So we have done edit and apply for the claim setting under employee group.